Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2019 and a half Forestriver Salem 31KQBTS travel trailer. This particular unit is a 2-bedroom unit, middle kitchen and bathroom area, living room area. We'll take a few minutes, walk you through the outside and inside of the RV. As you can see, we're starting here on the inside. You have a nice big U-shaped dinette with storage underneath. There's a couple pull-out storage trays behind those doors there. Nice big windows. The sofa is a jackknife sofa, standard. Has a little flip-down door on the front of it there with some more storage tubs underneath. And that sofa will make into a small bed. Electric fireplace, Furrion sound bar. Plenty of room for a nice big flat screen TV to go on the wall there. It's great for those rainy days. Ducted air conditioning. The unit comes standard with a 13.5 BTU air conditioner. Here at Couches RV Nation, we do try to upgrade it all the time for our stock with a 15,000, but definitely make sure that is on there. That's a big upgrade for a camper this size. You can also order it with 50 amp electric service and a second air conditioner if needed, if you're one of the customers from down south. So we can get it that way. The unit comes standard now with the new 10.7 cubic foot Everchill 12 volt refrigerator system. Nice new refrigerator there. And it works off 12 volt power instead of electric and propane. So if you do the solar panel portable option that a lot of customers are starting to do now, you can camp, boondock camp basically for a long period of time because the solar is recharging your battery. New Furrion oven, 3-burner stovetop, glass stovetop cover, 3 drawers, some storage underneath the sink there. Nice solid surface countertops. This is actually a hard surface top. It's not a Formica type of counter there. So a little bit of an improvement on your kitchen countertop. A couple electric outlets there for some cooking and stuff like that. High-rise faucet again. Traditional microwave, stove range. Over here on the side are some of your controls for your slides and monitor panels and water heater, light switches, that type of stuff. Up here in your cabinet area, you've got room to put some plates and stuff like that in here. Some of your food. Kind of spinning back around toward the rear of the camper. The back bedroom for the kids area back there. In-floor ducted heat, 5/8 tongue and groove plywood instead of OSB board used on the Salem campers. You have a digital thermostat on the wall right here. Bathroom area behind this door. And here you have your toilet, foot flush toilet, little sink area, some storage down below. Small tub or shower, whichever you want to use it for. ABS tub surround to kind of protect the wall. Skylight up above. Little fan up there. Medicine cabinet mirror there. There's also a little area back here, more or less kind of a pantry area for your food. Then going back to the back area is the kids' room. That bottom bunk there flips up out of the way, giving them a little extra room if not needed. Behind that wall is the outside kitchen area, which you'll see once we get out there. Overhead bunk, cabinet area back here. A lot of storage space back here. Big TV area. Sofa back here. This is an option. You don't have to get the sofa if you don't want, but it will make a bed. And there's some storage underneath if you do the sofa. If you don't do the sofa, you end up with another little bunk there. Flip up and down bunk there. A lot of room back here, so if you've got a big family here, few kids, they got plenty of room on those rainy days to be back here. USB chargers there and also over on the right side there. Going back up toward the front of the coach here, we're going to head back up to the master bedroom area. You got your own little door here, privacy area. There's overhead cabinets and hanging closet on both sides. Vinyl floor in this area. Walk around the bed, and then there's also some storage underneath of here. And there's little storage tubs underneath of there too. Now the bed does raise up, so it's easier to get to those tubs. The Denver pillow top mattress is a nice upgrade over some RVs. Electric outlet and USB chargers on both sides of the bed. Windows on both sides here, so you get a nice cross breeze. They do open, so on the nicer nights you can open up the windows, get some fresh air. And you have TV hookups over here on the big wall section, so you could do you a nice flat screen TV here in the master bedroom area if you wanted to. Spin around here real quick. A little bit of cabinet space up above the bed. You can kind of see the depth area there. And your hanging closet area there. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Been trying to do a lot of these new RVs as they come in with their upgrades and changes for the 19.5 version. We're going to head out to the outside now. Alright guys, we are now on the outside of this brand new Salem 31KQBTS here. We're going to take a few minutes, walk here on the outside. You already seen the inside there. Outside here, new graphics colors and metal color on the outside. Got a little darker than the early 19 versions. There's two 30-pound propane tanks here. There's also a bottle cover down there. Automatic changeover regulator. Power hitch jack still. Battery disconnect down here. The unit comes with one battery pre-installed from RV Nation. You can opt in for a second one if you want. Lower diamond plate metal down there. Power awning with the LED light strip. Adjustable arms there. Two outdoor speakers. They light up blue. You can see one all the way down at that side, one down here. It's kind of nice. They're further apart and they're lower, so they're not way up above your head where you got to turn them up as loud to hear them. The new 19.5 versions went with the heavy-duty Scissor Jacks and the JT Strong Arm jack arms. You can kind of see them up underneath of there. Those are a lot more stable than the power stabilizer jacks that they previously used. They were having a lot of warranty issues with the power stabilizers, so now going back to the heavier duty manual jacks. Upgraded solid step going in and out of the coach. Large folding entry handle. Traditional screen door, entry door. Has the radius top, so it's less likely to hurt the awning if it touches it. Gas electric water heater there, furnace exhaust out there. There is a low point water drain down there for the fresh water tank, fresh water fill up, and electric outlet there. Going around to the back section here, we have our outdoor kitchen. You got a refrigerator here, sink with hot and cold water, electric outlet there. Light out here, some cabinetry there. And back here is a swing arm grill. It's closed up at the moment, but that does actually swing around, so you can cook out here. Spare tire mounted on the back, city water hookup on the rear. It's pre-wired for a observation or backup camera on the rear. Power cord and cable and satellite hookups on the rear corner here. dump area down below there, and you can get a better view of the JT strong arm feature there on the jack. That's a nice upgrade there to help stabilize the camper. 2 slide outs on this side, and in between the slides down here you'll see the other portion of the dump area there. So you have gray and black handle there, one in the rear also. Storage compartment across both sides of the unit there. Stand back here so you can kind of see down this side a little bit. Nice big windows overlooking the camp area there. Rounded front again, so it's a little more wind aerodynamic versus the flat front units there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of my videos. Trying to update a lot of these new campers as they come in. Here you can see some production information here. Basically your VIN number, axle size, 4,480 pound axles. ST 225 75 R15D range tires. This particular coach was built 2/7 of 19, and it kind of tells you here gross vehicle weight. The most you can load it to axle and hitch weight is 9,865 pounds. Now down here on the frame is the actual unloaded weight, which is 8522 on this particular unit. Again, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with the videos. Thanks for checking us out.